Allegiant Air Cancellation Policy. Can't travel to your booked flight due to any specific reason? Then the only option remains in front you are flight cancellation. Allegiant Air provides a ticket cancellation facility where you can simply cancel the flights that you have recently booked on Allegiant Air. But before that, you would need to know the Allegiant Air cancellation policy, which is very important to know before making a cancellation request, which is shown on the screen. And to learn how to cancel flight tickets of Allegiant Air, first log into the official website of Allegiant Airlines. Choose to manage my travel and click on it. You will be given a number of options like making changes in flight, canceling. Fill in the details of the flight reference number, name, and enter. Now you can choose accordingly and make changes. So if you are looking for assistance in regards to the cancellation and rebooking process, then you may get in touch with the customer agent who will assist you to get the issue fixed in no time and provide you valid assistance instantly.